First in the news, Mount Apo, considered to be the highest mountain in the Philippines and third largest in the world, has been burning for 2 days now. Joy Domingo will tell us why.
A butane owned by one of the campers and mountaineers in a campsite in Mount Apo allegedly exploded and flared, resulting in a grass fire of over 200 hectares of the mountain, located in between Davao City, Davao del Sur, Region 11, and Cotabato Province, Region 12.
Based sa report sa taga-disaster, nagsugo daw ni sa murag campsite, murag naadoy initial nga dili lang ni sa confirmed nga report naadoy murag ni buto nga butane sa mga mountaineers.
Smoke can still be seen as of noontime today, as Bureau of Fire Rescuers only set to leave at 10 o'clock this morning.
Mudako pa ni siya kay hangtod karon nagpadayon pa ang sunog sa taas nga area.
There were no reported fatalities nor injuries from the incident. The campers and mountaineers at the area when the fire happened were able to evacuate to nearby towns at the foot of the mountain, one of which is Barangay Kapatagan, Digos, Davao del Sur. Mount Apo is located 45 kilometers northeast of Digos City, up to 25 kilometers southeast of Kidapawan City in North Cotabato, and 20 kilometers west of Davao City. The fire, which began last Saturday and is still going on as of this afternoon, is feared to continue to spread if not extinguished.
Pwede posible ni siya nga mo padayon ni hangtod sa Davao City nga area and diri pod sa North Cotabato nga area.
Rescuers from the Bureau of Fire of Region 11 are planning to go to the area, absent other rescuers on site as of this morning. BFP says the place is difficult to locate because of the thick smoke. Even the Air Force was not able to push through with the rescue it earlier planned using drones because of the poor visibility in the area brought by thick fog and smoke. The BFP has taken on the initiative to proceed with the firefighting initial steps by setting up their facilities. They will set out a reconnaissance mission, which was supposed to be done by the Air Force. They will follow it up with the making of a fire line, a known method to put out forest fires. However, the BFP rescuers still need to travel for hours from Barangay Kapatagan before they reach the area caught by the fire.
Force recognize and stop at the same time. Kung tara na ito nga makaya natin ito, ma-activate na natin ito, initial tadaan. Until such time na yung mga additional mga rescuers umabot.
The enormity of the fire cannot be put out manually, which is why they are hoping that the Air Force will extend some help.
May plano ang Philippine Air Force nga ilahang mag-aerial survey sa taas. So mas maayo na kay para makita din kung asa ta magsugod sa ato ang rescue and operation.
Officials and residents in Kapatagan, Davao del Sur call on the government to help extinguish the fire.
Kinahanglan gyud ni og joint effort sa mga local government, Davao City, North Cotabato, and Davao del Sur.
Haze is feared to happen if the fire in Mount Apo continues. From Davao City, Joey Domingo reporting for Y News.